Hi my dear friends, in this session we are going to see some more extra problems of trigonometry. Do these and try these problems we are going to solve in this session. Already we completed this trigonometry chapter. We did all the problem solutions and we uploaded in the YouTube. If you want you can see in the description. I will give you all the links. Now do these and try these problems from trigonometry. Okay now. So identify the hypotenuse, opposite and adjacent side for the angles in the given triangle. For example, so he given a triangle like this. So now R PQR is a right angle triangle at Q. So if Q is a right angle, R and P are acute angles. So means these are the two observation points. So if you observe from R point, our opposite side become PQ. If you observe from P, our opposite side will be RQ. So now what is asking? In this, just identify the hypotenuse, adjacent and opposite. So longest side in a triangle is called hypotenuse. So this is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse remains same. Hypotenuse remains same all the time, but only opposite and adjacent side will change according to the observation point. For example, if you are observing from R, so for the angle R, opposite side become PQ. Adjacent side is nothing but RQ. Hypotenuse PR. So if you see from the angle R, this is the opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse. So if you see from angle P, its opposite side is nothing but RQ. Adjacent side is nothing but PQ. Hypotenuse will be remain same for both the cases. Next question number 2. In the triangle XYZ, identify the hypotenuse, opposite and hypotenuse is the question. So first we will write for the angle x. So if you observe from this point, this is our observation point. Our opposite side is nothing but yz. Adjacent side x, z, and hypotenuse the side which is opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse, that is xy. For the angle y, if you observe from angle y, if this is our observation point, so our opposite side become xz. Opposite side become xz. Next adjacent will become yz and hypotenuse become xy. This is the opposite side. This becomes the adjacent. This is a hypotenuse. So based on your observation, the opposite side and adjacent will be changing. Hypotenuse remains same. Hypotenuse means the side which is opposite to 90 degree right angle. The side which is opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse, or we can say the longest side in the right angle triangle is also hypotenuse. Only the difference is according to your observation point, according to your angle, opposite side and adjacent side will change. If you see from this angle, your opposite will be x, y, z is the opposite and x, z is the adjacent. But if you see from here, angle y point, our opposite will be xz and adjacent will be yz. That is only the difference. Next, find sin c, cos c, tan c. So this is the information he was given. ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle at B and AC value is nothing but 13. BC value is nothing but 5. So what is asking? Find sin C and cos C and tan C. So we call this sin, cos, tan are nothing but trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. So what the trigonometric ratio will show? Trigonometric ratios will show the relationship between angle of a triangle and its corresponding sides. Okay, it shows a relationship between sides and angles. So trigonometric ratios will show a relationship between angles and sides. So now sin C, I told you one method to remember. First you write OAO, HHA to remember 6 trigonometric ratios in easy way. So OAO, HHA. O by H is nothing but sin. This is cos, this is tan, this is cot, this is secant, this is cosecant. O means opposite side. H means hypotenuse. A means the adjacent side. H means hypotenuse. O means opposite. A means adjacent. From that, we can derive our 6 trigonometric ratios OAO, HHA. See here, if you want to write any trigonometric ratio, first we have to know the 3 sides of a right angle triangle. 3 sides of a right angle triangle. So here we know the only 2 sides of a right angle triangle. We have to calculate the third side of a right angle triangle by using Pythagoras theorem. That is, hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So this is a formula to calculate any unknown side of a right angle triangle. So that is 13 square is equal to, opposite is nothing but 5. Next, adjacent is nothing but AB. So if you see from this side, our opposite will be 5. So this is 169. This is 25. This is AB square. 169 minus 25 is equal to AB square. What's the difference of both? 9 minus 5 is nothing but 4. 6 minus 2 is nothing but 4. 144 we are getting. AB square is equal to 144. This is nothing but 12 square is 144. So square cancel on both the sides. AB value is nothing but 12. After calculating the third side, now we are going to write the trigonometric ratios. That is, so from C we have to observe. If you observe from C, it become opposite side. It become adjacent side. So sin C, opposite side of angle C by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side of angle C? AB. AB value is nothing but 12. Hypotenuse will be 13, AC. So 12 by 13 is the answer for sin C. Cos C, adjacent side of angle C by hypotenuse. That is, what is the adjacent side for C here? 5. Hypotenuse will be 13. 5 by 13. Tan. Tan means opposite by adjacent. Opposite side of angle C by adjacent side of angle C. What is the opposite side from C side? That is nothing but 12 by adjacent is 5. 12 by 5. So this is the way we have to write sin C, cos C, tan C. So we have to observe from C. Then our opposite will be AB. Adjacent will be BC. One more similar model question. XYZ XYZ is a right angle triangle, right angle at Y. So he given XZ is equal to 17 and YZ is equal to 15. Then find the value of sin X, cos Z and tan x. So he is asking three trigonometric ratios. So now we see. So if you know the two sides of a right angle triangle, we have to find the third side by using hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So that is we use the same concept. So this is the hypotenuse. So this is the opposite from angle x. So this will become adjacent. So that is hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square adjacent side square. That is hypotenuse. 17 square is equal to opposite is nothing but 15. Adjacent will be xy. So this is 17 square is nothing but 289. 17 into 17, if you multiply 2 times, we will get 289. 15 square is nothing but 225. So if you bring it to left side, so that is the difference is 9 minus 5 will become 4, 8 minus 2 becomes 6, 64 we are getting. So this is nothing but 8 square. Square can bones. Square cancel on both the sides. That is xy is equal to 8. So after that, we calculated the adjacent side also. After that, we will write sin x, cos z, tan x. So that is sin x means opposite side of angle x by hypotenuse. So what is the opposite side for the angle x? So that become 15. Yz is opposite yz. So that is 15. Hypotenuse becomes 17. 15 by 17 is the answer for this. Cos z. Cos z means we have to observe from this point. Adjacent side. Adjacent side of z. Angle z by hypotenuse. That is adjacent is again yz only. Yz, that is 15 by 17. Tan x, opposite side of angle x by adjacent side of angle x. So what is the opposite side of angle x here? Opposite side is nothing but 15. Adjacent side become 8. 15 by 8. Next, in a triangle PQR with a right angle at Q, the value of angle P is x. PQ is 7 and QR is 24 centimeter. Then find the value of sin x and cos x. PQR is a right angle triangle in which right angle at Q, that is 90 degree, and P is called angle X. He given angle X. PQ is 7 and QR is 24. Then find sin X and cos X. So now, first we have to find the unknown side, that is the hypotenuse we have to calculate. So if you see from here, it is the opposite. This becomes the adjacent. First we apply that Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. That is, hypotenuse we don't know. Opposite is nothing but 24. Next, this is 7 square. So 24 square we have to calculate. It is 576 and this is 49. Hypotenuse square is equal to 576, 49. So now add these two. This will give you 5. This is 12, 625 we are reading. Hypotenuse square is equal to 625 is nothing but 25 square. Square square cancel. Hypotenuse will be 25. 25. After calculating the hypotenuse, now we will write sin x and cos x value. Sin x, opposite side, side of angle x by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side? 24. Hypotenuse will be 25. 24 by 25. Cos x, adjacent side, angle x by hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent side? 7. Hypotenuse will be 25. So last one more question in this session. So in a triangle, in a right angle triangle ABC, right angle let's see BC plus CA is equal to 23, BC minus CA is equal to 7. Then find sin A and tan B. So very interesting question. Given BC plus CA is equal to 23, BC minus CA is equal to 7. So in the previous question, he was given ABC value, AB value, BC value all directly, but in this question he was given indirectly. So ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at C. So now we see, first do this addition. If you do the addition, plus CA minus CA cancel, 23 plus 7 is nothing but 30. So BC is nothing but 30 by 2. That will give you 15. BC value 15. Next, if you do the subtraction, Same you will take, and if you do subtraction, to do subtraction we have to change plus sign to minus, minus sign to plus. So these two gets cancelled. 2Ca is equal to, it becomes 16. So Ca is nothing but 16 by 2. That will give us 8. So right, this is 8. So we calculated BC value and CA value. So now what is asking? Sin A and tan B. So if you know the two sides of a triangle, we have to calculate the third side by using hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. That is, hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So that is 15 square and 8 square. 15 square is nothing but 225. 8 square is nothing but 64. Now do this addition. 5 plus 4 is nothing but 9. 6 plus 2 is nothing but 8. 289 we are getting. So 289 is nothing but 17 square. Square square cancel, hypotenuse will be 17. After getting hypotenuse, now we can write sin A, that is opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse. That is, what is the opposite side of angle A? If you see from here, this is 15 is the opposite side. Hypotenuse will be 17. Tan B. Tan B is nothing but, what is tan? Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side of angle B by adjacent side of angle B. You see from B, opposite become 8, adjacent become 15. 8 by 15.